Hello friends, let's see how we can put a watermark on our document. And this time around we want to use image. In the last video we used text, so this is going to be on image. So let's go to watermark here. Remember, you have to, if your document is in home, you have to come to design, and from design you come to watermark and custom watermark. So you choose picture watermark and let's select. So it will give you options where to pick the picture from. So if it's on your drive or your OneDrive, you go here. If you want to search it online, you go here. And if it's in your desktop, click this. So I'm going to pick it from my desktop. So let me look for my download folder. Okay, this is the one I want to use, and then click insert, then apply. We should be good to go now. So the icon is right there. So you can change, you can make it clearer by maybe putting other colors, making sure you have a choice of color that will come out clean and clear. But we have it right here. That's how to put image as your watermark for the document. Example of a use case in this situation is if you're preparing a document and you want a page that will start a section of the document to have a symbol, so that when readers are going through, once they open to that page, they know that they're going it. For example, this one can be used as the first page for accounting section of a report, while you put maybe something like any symbol that will represent operation for the operational section of that same document. So these are some of the things you can do to make your work more presentable and user friendly. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Let's enjoy the knowledge together.